In the world of national emblems, few flags are as emotionally charged and politically significant as the flag of Palestine. More than a mere piece of cloth, it is a potent symbol of identity, a testament to a long and arduous struggle for self-determination, and a vibrant canvas depicting a people's history, aspirations, and enduring hope. Each color and shape is imbued with layers of meaning, weaving together a narrative that is both deeply rooted in the past and intensely focused on the future. To understand the Palestinian flag is to gain insight into the heart of the Palestinian national consciousness. The flag's design, 3 horizontal stripes of black, white, and green, with a red triangle at the hoist, is not unique to Palestine but belongs to the family of Pan-Arab colors. Its origins are traced back to the flag of the Arab Revolt of 1916. Designed by Sharif Hussein of Mecca, who led the rebellion against the Ottoman Empire. This shared heritage intentionally places the Palestinian struggle within the broader context of Arab history and the quest for independence from foreign rule. It is a visual declaration of cultural and historical kinship, linking Palestinian identity to a wider Arab awakening. This connection signifies that the Palestinian cause is not an isolated issue but an integral part of a regional story of liberation and the pursuit of sovereignty. The power of the flag lies in the rich symbolism embedded within its colors. The top black stripe is often interpreted as representing the Abbasid Caliphate, a golden age of Islamic civilization, science, and culture centered in Baghdad. For Palestinians, this color evokes a sense of historical pride and a glorious past. A reminder of a time when Arab and Islamic societies were at the forefront of global innovation and influence. It also serves as a somber acknowledgement of the Nakba, or catastrophe, of 1948, symbolizing the darkness of displacement, loss, and the scattering of the Palestinian people. It is a color of mourning, but also of resilience, representing the strength to endure through periods of profound sorrow. The central white stripe symbolizes the Umayyad Caliphate, which ruled from Damascus and oversaw a vast expansion of Arab influence. White is universally a color of peace, purity, and sincerity, reflecting the Palestinian people's deep-seated desire for a just and lasting peace. It speaks to the clarity of their cause and their commitment to justice. This stripe serves as a message of the noble and peaceful intentions that underpin their national movement. Even in the face of immense hardship, it is a beacon of hope, representing the clean slate of a future where coexistence and harmony can prevail. The bottom green stripe is associated with the Fatimid Caliphate of North Africa and is also a color deeply revered in Islam. Often linked to the Prophet Muhammad, green symbolizes the fertility of the land, a core element of Palestinian identity. For a people with deep agrarian roots, the land is not merely territory but a source of life, culture, and ancestral connection. This color represents Palestine's verdant valleys, its ancient olive groves, and the life-giving promise of its soil. It is a symbol of vitality, growth, and the unwavering hope for a flourishing future, underscoring the deep, organic bond between the people and their homeland. Finally, the red triangle at the hoist cuts across the stripes, symbolizing the Hashemite dynasty, the descendants of the Prophet Muhammad who led the Arab Revolt. Red is the color of sacrifice, courage, and the blood shed by martyrs in the struggle for freedom. It represents the ultimate price paid by countless individuals for the cause of a sovereign Palestine. The triangle itself is dynamic, pointing forward, signifying determination, forward momentum, and the unwavering drive to achieve national goals. Its position, unifying the 3 horizontal stripes, represents the unity of the Palestinian people, binding together their past, present, and future in a common purpose. In contemporary times, the Palestinian flag has become the most visible and unifying emblem of the national movement. It is raised with pride at protests, flown at the United Nations, and held aloft by Palestinians and their supporters around the globe. Its presence marks a refusal to be erased, an assertion of existence against the odds. For the Palestinian diaspora, it is a tangible link to a homeland many have never seen. A symbol that transcends geographical borders and unites a scattered people. In every stitch and every hue, The flag of Palestine tells a powerful story of a rich heritage, a painful present, and an unyielding dream for a future of freedom, justice, and peace. It is not just an emblem of a nation-state, but a banner for a universal human cause.